Welcome to CheapoHippo.com, your personal bargain hunter. Newegg has the Cooler Master CM Storm QuickFire Rapid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with Cherry MX Round Switch SGK-4000-GKCM1-US USB for a low $54.99 plus free shipping after rebate. They charge sales tax in California, Connecticut, Illinois, Massachusetts, New York, Tennessee and Washington. This is one of the lowest prices we've seen for a Cherry MX Brown keyboard. Cherry Brown switches are softer and quieter than other Cherry switches. The N-key rollover function permits up to 104 keys to be pressed at the same time in PS2 mode without conflict, while 6 keys in USB mode. $10 rebate expires 10/7/13. For more information and to get this deal, click the link in the description section below. For all the latest hot deals, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or visit our website at CheapoHippo.com.